Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to the online classes of Winner Small Wonders Secondary School. Myself, Sangeeta Pawar. As you all know that, I am your science teacher. We are here for your term preparation. Today, I am going to teach you chemical equation and reaction.
We know that various change in nature can be classified into either physical or chemical. Physical changes are temporary in nature. The material undergoes change in its shape, phase, size, etc., but does not undergo any change in its nature. A chemical change always involves a chemical reaction. The chemical reaction involve our daily life situation. For example, coal is burned, food get digest in our body, iron nail is exposed to humid atmosphere for a long time. We respire, milk is converted into curd, water is added to quicklime, crackers are burned. But how to know that a chemical reaction took place? Let's know. But how to know that the chemical reaction took place? Let's try to answer this question and learn about chemical reaction. Example 1 of chemical reaction. Take 1 gram of quicklime calcium oxide in a beaker. Add 10 ml of water into the beaker. Touch the beaker during the reaction. Put a red litmus paper into the beaker after the reaction. When calcium oxide reacts with water, heat energy is released. Observation. The beaker is hot. A colorless solution is produced after the reaction. The red litmus paper turned blue. In this reaction, we learn the beaker is hot during the reaction because heat is produced when quicklime reacts with water. The colorless solution produced at the end of the reaction is basic in nature as the red litmus paper turned blue. Example 2 of chemical reaction. Take 100 ml of water in a beaker, dissolve a small quantity of sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Take 100 ml of water in another beaker, dissolve a small quantity of barium chloride BaCl2, barium chloride. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4, barium chloride BaCl2. We observe there is a change in the color of the solution in both the beakers. Add the solution of both the beakers. Note the change in the color of the solution. Sodium sulfate react with barium chloride to give the white precipitation barium sulfate. Sodium sulfate react with barium chloride to give white precipitate barium sulfate. Example 3 of chemical reaction. Take a 3 cm long magnesium ribbon. Use a sandpaper to rub and clean the ribbon. Hold the ribbon using a pair of tongs. Burn the ribbon using a spirit lamp or a burner. Observation. We observe a dazzling white flame is produced when the magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen. A white color is formed and is collected in a watch glass. We learn here the two reactants, magnesium is solid state and oxygen in a gaseous state combine. A single product, magnesium oxide, as white powder is formed and collected in a watch glass. Magnesium powder is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. Reaction Mg, which is solid, oxygen is a gas, and product is MgO, magnesium oxide, which is also solid. Example 4 of chemical reaction, test of hydrogen gas. Take a few zinc granules in a conical flask. Add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid into the flask. Be careful when handling the add. We observe there is a change in the color of zinc granules. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the funnel. The matchstick is put off with the pop-up sound. The beaker is warm when touched with the finger. A chemical reaction involves in both breaking and formation of bond, a change in a state of a substance, a change in a color of the substance, release of heat energy, formation of precipitates, liberation of gas. After learning chemical reaction in detail, let's know how to present chemical reaction.